If you think lava cake is fancy or fussy, wait until you see this crock pot version. Dump it, forget it, and get ready for gooey chocolatey bliss. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make a rich and gooey chocolate lava cake right in your crock pot. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so for our ooey gooey chocolate lava cake, I start with a slow cooker liner. This is entirely up to you. You don't have to use it. I just like it because it makes cleanup a snap. When you do as many dishes as I do, you take shortcuts wherever you can get them. So, in your slow cooker, you are going to add a box of chocolate cake mix. Entire package right in there, bag and all, right in there. Now to that, we are going to add some sour cream. You guys know I love my plunger measuring cup. It's great for ingredients like peanut butter, honey, sour cream, mayonnaise, anything like that. Ketchup. Look at how easy, you just plunge it right out. Perfect. We are also going to add some vanilla. Vanilla just really wakes up the chocolate flavor. So in she goes. And melted butter is up next. We're going to pour that all in there. Then we have eggs. I'm going to add 3 eggs into the slow cooker. One, 2, and 3. Alrighty. And then last, but definitely not least, we're going to add some milk into the mixture. There we go. And just get all of this whisked together. We just want everything combined. We want those eggs mixed up and no dry pockets of cake mix. So easy at this point, right? Okay, this was step 1. Step 2, we have to make our lava-y part of this mixture, and that is with some chocolate pudding. So let me clean this up and get that next step in here. Okay, I'm just gonna slide our slow cooker off to the side here. I'm gonna bring in our bowl, and we're going to add a box of chocolate pudding mix. You can use regular, sugar-free, whatever you prefer. It's entirely up to you. And I'm gonna add some milk. That's it, super easy, right? Basic chocolate pudding from a mix. We're gonna whisk that together. And we're gonna let this set up for just a couple minutes. So we have our cake mix mixture in here. We have our pudding mixture right here. We're just going to transfer the pudding into the cake mix. We're not going to stir it, just pour it right on top and let it be. We're gonna pop the lid on this, set it on high for 2 hours, low for 4 hours. That's it. And then we are going to have some delicious chocolate lava cake. Okay, one more step. Our cake mix has been cooking here for about 2 hours on high. We are going to pop the lid off and we are going to add some mini marshmallows. I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of those to the top of this. Let me get those in here. 1.5. And then we are also going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Perfect. All right over the top. I'm just gonna spread those out in an even layer. Perfect. Pop that lid back on, 15 minutes on high, and we are diving in. You guys, this looks amazing. I mean, just look at that. Incredible. The marshmallows are melted, the chocolate chips are melted. Now you could top this with anything. Vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or a spoon in a closed door. I won't judge, because that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going in here for a nice big spoon of this. Just look at that. Cake molten lava-y deliciousness. Now, this is smoking hot. I don't care at all. Oh, it is so light and fluffy. Oh, you guys, this is so rich and decadent, and you saw how easy it was to put together. You guys, this chocolate lava cake in the crock pot is definitely a keeper. It's rich, it's easy, and it never fails to impress. Now, make sure you share this recipe with someone who loves good food. And don't forget to grab that full printable recipe in the video description below. If you love easy chocolatey desserts like this, check out my Oreo dump cake next. It's as simple and perfect for any time of the year. Click right here and I will see you over there.